Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to move your Ethereum from Revolut to Uphold in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double-check the steps to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're diversifying your crypto portfolio or just exploring new platforms, transferring assets like Ethereum can be a smart move. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Revolut and Uphold, and that you have some Ethereum in your Revolut wallet. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone or logging into the website. Navigate to the Crypto section. It's usually at the bottom of the app. Once you're there, select your Ethereum holdings. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer. Go ahead and tap that. Next, you'll need to enter the destination details. This is crucial. Copy the Ethereum wallet address from your Uphold account. Head over to Uphold, log in, and go to your Ethereum wallet. There, you'll find the deposit address. Make sure it's for the Ethereum network, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Paste that address into the Revolut withdrawal form, and don't forget to specify the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer. Revolut might show you estimated fees, so keep an eye on those. They can vary based on network congestion. Before you confirm, double-check everything. Is the address correct? Is the amount right? Once you're sure, hit confirm, and Revolut will process the transaction. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Ethereum network's speed in 2025. Head back to Uphold and refresh your wallet to see if the Ethereum has arrived. A quick tip: always use two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. Also, be aware that crypto transfers are irreversible, so accuracy is key. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Revolut to Uphold in 2025. It's a simple process that puts you in control of your assets. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.